Skool is probably the hottest thing going on right now in the marketing world. And if you're not taking advantage of it, you should. But here's the kicker. Here's the thing you need to know right off the bat. When you go to get a Skool community, you have to pay 90 some dollars a month. We're going to show you how to crush Skool, make a ton of money from Skool without having to pay a single dollar. Right off the bat, that's insane.
Hey everybody, my name's Janelle Livet, and today I wanted to do a quick review of a new product that's getting launched on the 31st of July, so in a couple of days. And it's all about the Skool community, and it's how to make money using Skool and also how to earn recurring commissions without actually spending any money. Now, if you haven't heard of Skool, Skool is a platform where you can create your own Skool and actually have all your members if they've bought a course, or you can just basically charge a membership fee, $47 a month. Now, we actually have our own program, our own Skool, which is a free platform that you can join for free. And it's called the Super Affiliate Academy. We've got 268 members at the moment, but the crazy thing about this was that it was only started on the 1st of July, and we've managed to go through the ranks and get to the top 200 within that 3 weeks, which is pretty amazing. So what are you going to learn? Firstly, what is Skooolify? Basically, it's an affiliate system. So Skooolify offers an innovative affiliate system to generate traffic and convert real people into revenue. It's a comprehensive system with step-by-step guides to generate and converting free traffic. And then we've got the vibrant community, which I just showed you. Now, if we go back to that vibrant community and we go into the classroom, you will see where you can get all these courses. As you move up, you get access to more of the courses, and these are getting added to, quite frequently. It'll teach you how to go from scratch and to start building assets so that you can promote your affiliate program. So the key features are we have comprehensive training and step-by-step guides, which I just showed you, the vibrant community. We show you a proven system to get free traffic and turn it into recurring commissions. We give you tools to promote anything you want and make higher commissions. We've got a proven formula that's helped others achieve success in just a few weeks. We've got behind-the-scenes insights into driving traffic and converting leads. We can maximise your earnings whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie. So here you can go, we have had someone that got their very first high-ticket product sale from using the methods in this course. We've got rewards getting given to us when we take actions, like I got money sent to me when I created articles to promote Skooolify. So there's all sorts of little incentives to help us get going and help us take action. There's a thriving community, like I said, which keeps growing. We focus on mutual success and support, and we have a way to overcome procrastination. So basically, James encourages us to take action and then rewards us for taking that action. It's really brilliant the way the system's worked out. Now, all you've got to do is join using the links provided in the video description. Send me a message once you're inside the Skooolify community, and let's start earning together.
We're going to show you how to crush Skool, make a ton of money from Skool without having to pay a single dollar. Right off the bat, that's insane. That's one of the crazy reasons why you're going to pick up the Skooolify program.